Today we study the digestive system, Junior 4. The digestive system is a system responsible for digestion food and absorption. It composed of many organs. It is the mouth, pharynx, the esophagus, the stomach, the large intestine, and the small intestine, the rectum, and the anus. You can look with me here. The digestive system consists of two main parts. The first part is a digestive canal. It is a muscular tube about the length 9 or 10 meters, starts with mouth opening and ends with the anus opening. Its organs are mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. And the digestive canal supplements, they are glands, secrete juices helping digestion, which is the are salivary glands, liver, and the pancreas. So we can summarize our lesson. What is the digestion? Digestion is the changing complex food substances to simple form so the body can get benefit from them. And the system which is responsible for making that, it's the digestive system. And it composed of digestive canal and digestive canal supplements. We can summarize the organ function like that. Number one, the mouth. Its function, chew and swallow the food. It has teeth, tongue, and salivary glands. The teeth number in the adult 32 teeth, divided into two jaws. Each jaw has 16 teeth. Divided like that: 4 incisors to cut the food, 2 canyons to tear the food, and 10 molars to grind the food. So all the teeth, they make food easy to swallow, to store the food and make it small pieces. After that, the tongue, it mixes food with saliva, it tastes food, and it has a role in the speech. The salivary glands, they are 3 pairs of the glands found in the mouth cavity. They secrete saliva juice, which change starch to sugar, and this is the first digestion in the mouth. After that, the pharynx. The pharynx is a common cavity led to the esophagus and the trachea. It allows food to pass from mouth to the esophagus. And the esophagus is the muscular tube connected to the stomach. It allows food to pass from pharynx to the stomach. And here in the stomach, it's a thick muscular organ, secrete gastric juice, which digests the food incompletely and digests the proteins. After that, the food passed in the muscular tube called duodenum. It's the first part of the small intestine. The duodenum here, the bile juice from the liver and the pancreatic juice from the pancreas are poured. So the fats by the bile juice change from the fat complex form into simple form. It's called fatty emulsion. After that, the food passed through the small intestine. The small intestine divided into 2 parts, duodenum and the ileum. The small intestine, its length about 7 meters. In the duodenum, the small intestine secrete intestinal juice, which digests the food completely, and here the villi of the small intestine absorb the digested food and transfer it to the blood. After that, the undigested food passes through the large intestine, and the large intestine, there is a part called rectum. This rectum absorbs water from the indigested food to go out the body through the anus. We can take that like that. The stomach digested food and proteins incompletely. Small intestine, it digested food completely and absorbed it. Large intestine stores indigested food, and the rectum absorbs water from the stool. Look with me. Look with me. This is the digestive system in human. It composed of the mouth, pharynx, and the esophagus, long esophagus, and the stomach, the liver, and there is a liver, a sac called gallbladder to store the bile juice. There is here the large intestine and the small intestine.